Want to edit videos quickly and easily? Clipchamp lets you trim clips, add text, transitions, music, effects, and more. In this guide, I'll show you how to edit videos in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and create a new video. Select Import Media and choose the videos, images, or audio files you want to use. Once they're uploaded, you'll see them in your media library. Next, drag your media from the library onto the timeline. Arrange your clips in the order you want them to appear. You can move clips around whenever you need to change the sequence. To remove unwanted sections, select a clip and drag its edges to trim it. You can also use the split tool to divide a clip and delete sections you don't need. This is one of the easiest ways to clean up your video. Now add text, titles, or captions from the text section. Adjust the style, position, and timing. You can also add transitions between clips. Keep your effects simple so your video remains clear and professional. Next, add background music or your own audio. Place it on the timeline and adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower your voice. You can also trim the audio to match the length of your video. Finally, preview the entire video and check your cuts, text, transitions, and audio. When everything looks good, select Export and choose your preferred video quality. Wait for Clipchamp to finish processing the video. And that's how to edit videos in Clipchamp in 2026. With these simple tools, you can quickly create clean and professional videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.